Raytheon, a key division of RTX, has unveiled a significant advancement in U.S. military technology with the official transition of its lower-tier air and missile defense sensor, LTAMDS, to full-scale production. This cutting-edge radar system, developed to upgrade the U.S. Army's Patriot air defense system, addresses the increasing sophistication of aerial threats, marking a pivotal step in modernizing defense technologies. The LTAMDS radar is set to replace the older Patriot radar system, integrating seamlessly into the U.S. Army's broader Integrated Air and Missile Defense (IAMD) framework. This transition follows the completion of rigorous testing, including a series of successful flight trials and formal approval from the Department of Defense's Major Capability Acquisition Milestone C. With this certification, LTAMDS is now officially on track for full production and operational deployment, ensuring both domestic and global defense needs are met. Initiated under the Middle Tier Acquisition Authority, the LTAMDS program was designed to fast-track the development and deployment of next-generation radar systems. The program broke new ground by achieving critical milestones in record time, culminating in 8 successful flight tests that validated the system's capabilities to detect and engage multiple, simultaneous threats in real-world conditions. LTAMDS is a dramatic upgrade over the legacy Patriot system. One of the system's standout features is its true 360-degree detection ability, enabled by multiple AESA, active electronically scanned array, radar panels powered by advanced gallium nitride, GaN, technology. Unlike the single-array setup of the Patriot radar, LTAMDS provides continuous, all-around tracking without the need for manual adjustments or additional sensor systems. This innovation enhances situational awareness, making it more effective in tracking complex, multidimensional threats. The use of GaN technology also boosts the system's radar power, efficiency, and heat management, providing a longer operational range, quicker target acquisition, and greater resilience against electronic warfare tactics. Furthermore, LTAMDS is engineered for seamless integration into the IAMD Battle Command System, IBCS, allowing it to share data and coordinate targeting efforts with other defense platforms, optimizing overall mission effectiveness. While detailed operational specifications remain classified, it is widely believed that LTAMDS offers significantly enhanced range and performance compared to the Patriot radar, which could detect targets up to 160 kilometers away. LTAMDS is expected to excel in detecting and tracking a wide array of threats, including hypersonic weapons, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and drones, even in environments where GPS and electromagnetic signals are contested. Raytheon has already delivered the first batch of 6 LTAMDS radars under a 2019 contract, with additional units expected to be completed by 2025. Production is ramping up, with plans to build up to 12 units annually to meet both domestic and international demand. Poland is the first country to purchase the LTAMDS radar for its own defense strategy, and several other nations are in discussions to procure the system as well. According to Tom LaLiberty, president of Raytheon's Land and Air Defense Systems, the success of the LTAMDS program reflects exceptional collaboration with the U.S. Army and an expanded industrial base. The rapid advancement of the program underscores the urgency of modernizing defense systems in response to increasingly sophisticated missile and drone technologies employed by adversaries worldwide. As more countries look to strengthen their air and missile defense frameworks, the LTAMDS radar system stands as a critical asset in the global defense landscape, offering unparalleled situational awareness, cutting-edge technology, and robust network integration for modern security challenges.